So the best way I think to try to start explaining this is just to take a look at the music. So yes, you did mention that it's the time signature is 4/4. So, and I'm assuming that you are far enough along in your playing that you understand, like, these are quarter notes, this is a half note. So if I'm counting these measures, it's a 4-beat measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2. Pardon the squawky handwriting because I'm using markup feature with a mouse. 1, 2, 3, 4. But up here, this is where you are correct. They don't line up because this is a quarter note. This is an eighth note. An eighth note is worth only half a beat, whereas a quarter note is worth a full beat. So I'm going to send a second video because Instagram's going to cut me off at 90 seconds. So because there are eighth notes involved and not just quarter notes and half notes, rather than thinking about the right hand in terms of a 1, 2, 3, 4, it's actually easier, I think, just to understand this, because I don't think this is truly going to make sense unless you understand how the counting's working, is to think about, we go down to like the subdivision of counting, which means instead of doing 1, 2, 3, 4, I do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So I'm saying those ands because those ands, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, that's how you account for eighth notes in 4/4 timing. So like this would be 1 and this is going to get squished, 2 and 3 and 4, and, which I'm sorry, this is all squished. There's really not anything I can do about it. Anyway, let me send a third video because it's going to cut me off. So I went ahead and added the ands to the bottom part. You can see it the same way. And unfortunately, I can't go and play my actual piano right now. So I'm just going to have to use an online keyboard. So this quarter note, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and so if I were playing that, 1, it starts with a delay, sorry. Okay, let's try it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and whereas this is going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and so on piano, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and so let me do that again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and that's how it works in terms of the counting. So the reason, probably part of why it's throwing you off, is because the right hand uses what's called syncopated rhythm, which is usually we're used to like things happening on the downbeat. So the downbeats would be 1, 2, 3, 4. The offbeats are the ands. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And you can probably tell just by me doing that, like that sounds suddenly like, whoa, that's so off kilter. So that's probably what's throwing you off, is because this is in a sense acting like it's the downbeat because this is the note that's getting all the emphasis, but it's not actually the downbeat. So that's probably what's throwing you off. I wanted to explain the counting, but personally I find sometimes with syncopation that counting like thinking about the counting sometimes causes me more problems than it helps. like, it helps to understand it, but there just reaches a point where you just have to practice the rhythm of each hand over and over again until you get really comfortable with it. And honestly, something that might be super helpful is use the hand that you need to play, use the other hand to tap out a 4-beat rhythm. So let's pretend I'm playing the left hand. Well, okay, if I'm going to do the left hand part, then my right hand will tap out a 4-beat rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bum, 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 bum. So I just did that left hand rhythm 3 times. Okay, right hand, well, I need my right hand to play, so I'll tap out a 4-beat rhythm with my left hand now. And I'm saying, like, you can either use a metronome or physically, like, use your left hand and just tap your piano while you're playing. So the right hand rhythm would be, so let me lead in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bum, 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 bum. Try it again. Bum, 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 bum. One more time. Bum, 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 bum. I think if you just got really comfortable with that and then tried to put both hands together, that might help you.